So let's do it. Let's calculate mean and standard deviation. And to do that, let's think back to our example with stores and sales. And let's say the question we want to answer is there any correlation between the day of the week and how much money people spend on various items? And what's interesting about this design pattern is that all the mapper has to do is output the day of the week as a key, so maybe Monday, and the value of a sale, maybe $5.20, as a value. That's it. What does that leave for the reducer? Well, it leaves all the math for the reducer. And the general reason for this rule of thumb, for what the mapper and reducer are doing, comes from the fact that oftentimes with these summary statistics, you sort of need to know all of the statistics or all of the parent data before you can make any calculations. So we don't want to jump the gun and have the mapper do calculations before it's ready. So why don't you go ahead and calculate the mean and standard deviation for sales for each day of the week to help us try to answer this question: if there's any correlation between the day of the week and how much people spend.